Now we have to see what is the force on that dielectric slab. So I'm having one dielectric slab over here. So let's, for example, you can just consider that. So the X part of that slab is inserted inside this one. So having the dielectric constant K, the distance between the plates is D. So how should I just derive it? So what is the force that is going to experience by that your dielectric slab? So which is mainly, you are just saying that F is equals to du by dx. So mainly you have to find the expression for your u. So that is nothing but energy. So which you can write it down as a half cv square. So for this, definitely you have to find the equivalent capacitance in this case. So this one you can just assume that. So you can just consider this as a separately also. I'm going to connect it across one battery, and then you are going to insert that dielectric slab. So for certain part, obviously there is a dielectric over here. So this is C1 and this is C2. And when the battery remains connected over here, let the supply is nothing but V. So I just say that the energy is half CV square. So now again C is nothing but, we know that, which is epsilon naught A by D. So again further you said that the length is L, and then you are just saying that length and width. So for the first case, you can just consider that is a L. Again I will consider breadth, that is a B minus, that is a total, then B minus X again upon D. So this is nothing but the capacitance without the dielectric, and another one, that is a C dash, where epsilon naught K into L into X upon that D. So this is how you can just write it down, the value of your C and C dash. So once I got the value of C and C dash, you can find the equivalent capacitance, which is C1 and C2, since they are connected in parallel. So that is epsilon naught L B minus X upon D plus epsilon naught K. Again you can say that that is your Lx upon D. So what you can take common, epsilon naught L upon D, you can take common, and in bracket, so obviously which is nothing but B minus X, so epsilon naught L by D, so plus Kx. So this is nothing but your equivalent capacitance. So once you get the value of equivalent capacitance, you can find the energy, which is nothing but half of your C equivalent V square. So just putting this value of your C equivalent, epsilon naught L by D, then this is B minus X plus Kx, again that is nothing but multiply by V square. So by just taking now derivative with respect to your X, you can find the force acting on that dielectric slab. So this is how you are going to just derive this expression for this one. Or further you can do one thing, that is nothing but epsilon naught L upon D. Further I can do one thing, so that is nothing but B minus X plus Kx. So you can just further take that X common, so that is nothing but K minus 1, and this is nothing but V square. So by just taking the differentiation, you will get the value of force which is acting on that dielectric slab. So this is the case when this battery has been connected, and you are just going to insert that dielectric, and because of which the capacitance is going to change and it is going to experience some force, and that you can find with the help of this technique.